The biggest part was like getting the right gear, and there's a very important thing for us of having a one-to-one situation of like what we're hearing on our end, what the mixer is going to be using. We just wanted to make sure that there was a consistency from start to finish, from recording to mixing. Hey, I'm Paolo from Trivium. I'm the bass player. Today we are at our studio. We call it the hangar. We're literally in an airport hangar right now. The people we work with, the people that mix our records, they are all using Genelecs. Whenever we've been in studios, those are ones that we've always been particularly really fond of. With Josh coming in, doing this record, with Mark Lewis helping us with the EP last year, it was that same thing of like, okay, we know their ears are going to be used to these speakers.
I use Genelecs in my studio in LA, and obviously we're using it here. It is seamless though, working here on this record, that they have similar speakers to what I have in my studio, so I know the translation will be pretty seamless. And when I came here, it sounded pretty much exactly the way I expected it to sound, so I would assume this room was all calibrated with the GLM software as well. You'd be surprised at how consistent it is room to room when you use the calibration that comes with the speakers. In here we use the 1238s, the 8341s, and then we also have the 7380 subs.
Anyone that's come in here has heard the speakers in this room that we've built, has just been so blown away. And for me personally, just listening to music, whether it's the music we're making or even just throwing on Apple Music and listening to like a random song I want to hear, like there's no experience like hearing these Genelec speakers. I can say we are very, very pleased, and we're really happy that Genelec is part of the Trivium history now, starting with the Struck Dead EP and what we're working on right now, which we're very, very excited about. It wouldn't be coming together and sounding like it does without having these Genelec speakers.